Hello, I'm Michael Horowitz, Inspector General for the U.S. Department of Justice. Today, our office released a report on the Department of Justice's implementation of the Death in Custody Reporting Act of 2013, which Congress enacted following several high-profile police shootings. The law requires states and federal law enforcement agencies to report to the Attorney General the death of any person in their custody. We found that the department has not yet implemented a program to collect death in custody data from states. The Act required that data collection begin in fiscal year 2016, but the department does not expect to begin collection until fiscal year 2020. We also found that the current plan for collecting state data will not use all available tools to ensure the accuracy of the data and will be duplicative of two other Department of Justice data collection efforts. By contrast, we found that the department has implemented a program to collect death in custody data from federal law enforcement agencies. However, we found that the department does not have a full accounting of all federal law enforcement agencies. Without this, it cannot determine whether all federal agencies required to submit death in custody data have done so. The collection of complete and accurate data is important and necessary to effectively analyze, understand, and ultimately reduce deaths in custody among law enforcement and correctional agencies across the country. Our report makes 4 recommendations to improve the department's implementation of this data collection effort. To read the report, please visit our website, oig.justice.gov, or go to oversight.gov. Thank you for joining us.